Okay, so I made a video about this turmeric plant a while back, and I was wondering because it had died, and it died during the winter right here. It used to be big, look. It used to be pretty decent size. But now there's something growing in there. I believe it's the turmeric. Not 100% yet, but we'll find out. But it looks like, I'm pretty sure it's the turmeric. So yeah, that thing came back to life. I'm glad I didn't throw it out or try to get rid of it or nothing like that, because this turmeric is definitely coming back from the dead. So I guess I'll cut this when I get the chance and just let it start from there. But yeah, man, if you have a turmeric plant and it dies off during the winter, don't cut it, man. Just leave it. Just leave it like I did. And after so long, it should come back. It should come back like this, as you can see. There you have it. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn my notifications on. We got a lot of stuff back here growing. I'm gonna check on the rest of these plants that have died during the winter and see if anything's going on with them. And we'll get it on video and let you guys know, so you don't have the problem I have in the beginning. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna do a walkthrough. We're gonna walk around, check and see what else we got going on the garden. Thank you. So here's another one. This is pineapple that had died, and it looks like it's coming back right there. Once again, that is pineapple, and it had died during the winter, just like a lot of other stuff did. And this thing is coming back. It's coming back. So like I said, yeah, we're gonna keep walking around and see what else that I known had died. And wondering if it was gonna come back or not. And we'll see what we got, and we will put this on film and let you guys see.